Hi everyone, in today's video I will be discussing about working of binary search and how to write binary search program in C language. Let us first consider 5 elements where n equal to 5 and the elements are 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. Let the search element be 40 which is there in the array. We will see how we can implement the binary search to find the element 40 in the array. We call this technique as binary search because we divide the array and then we go on searching. So, the name binary search. For this first element we name it as first and for the last element we give it as last. So, I will write down first equal to 0, last equal to n minus 1. Here our n value is 5. So, last will be equal to 5 minus 1 which is equal to 4. So, it is from 0 to 4. In this technique we need to remember that always that first should always be lesser than or equal to last. This is one of the conditions. We need to check always the first value should be less than or equal to last. In the first case the first is 0 and last is 4 which is true, that is 0 less than 4. When this condition is true while first is less than or equal to last, we can find mid. Mid will be equal to first plus last divided by 2. First value is 0 and last value is 4 by 2. 0 plus 4 is 4 divided by 2 is 2. Mid is 2. So, this becomes mid. We will check whether A of mid is equal to search element. When A of mid equal to search element, we will print that the search element is found, will come out of the loop, or else we will check if search element less than A of mid. The search element is 40 and A of mid is 30. 40 less than 30. This statement is false. So, what we can do is we can move the first pointer from here to here. That is, first will be equal to mid plus 1. This will be the else part when this is false. When this statement is true, suppose our search element is lesser than the mid element. In that case, we will write last equal to mid minus 1. That means we will remove this and it will be pointing to A of 1. For 20 it will be pointing. In that case, we wouldn't have moved the first pointer. So, the code will be if search element less than A of mid, when this condition is true, we will move the last pointer to mid minus 1. Suppose this condition is false, then we will move the first pointer to mid plus 1. Here in our case 40, the search element is greater than the mid. So, we use first equal to mid plus 1. Now, first will be equal to, we have got the mid value as 2. 2 plus 1 is 3 and the last value which has not been changed. So, it is 4. Mid will be equal to first plus last divided by 2, 3 plus 4 by 2, which is equal to 3. As we are considering the integer number, we will neglect the fraction point. Now mid value is 3. Again I will check whether if A of mid is equal to search element. A of mid is 40 and our search element is also 40. So as these two are equal, we will print the element is found and we come out of the program. Now let us consider an element which is not available in the array. We will try to search the element 46 which is not in the array. And you already know the condition that while in while statement first should less than or equal to last. This condition should be true always. Here first value is 0 and last is equal to n minus 1. The first step what we need to do is we will calculate mid equal to first plus last by 2. That is equal to first is 0 and last is 5 minus 1 is 4 by 2 which is equal to 2. Now this becomes mid. We will check now whether A of mid is equal to search element. A of mid is 30, whether it is equal to search element 46. Now these two are not equal, so this condition is false. Now we will see if search element less than A of mid. The search element is 46 and A of mid is 30. So this condition is false. So the false statement as I have taken previously or the else statement, it is first equal to mid plus 1. So in this case 46 less than 30 is false. That means I need not search for 46 below the value 30 because the numbers which are stored in binary search are in ascending order. So there is no possibility of finding 46 before 30. So I need to move only the first pointer to the location which is next to mid. So I will make this as first. Now first is equal to 3 and last value which is not been changed, that is 4. Now again I will find out mid equal to first plus last by 2. Mid equal to 3 plus 4 by 2 is 3. I am considering the integer value. Mid equal to 3. Again I will check whether mid is equal to search element. A of mid is 3, which is A of mid is 40. I will check whether 40 is equal to 46. It is false. Now I will check if the search element is lesser than A of mid. Search element is 46 lesser than A of mid. A of mid is 40. Again this condition is false. So again I will go for the else statement. First equal to mid plus 1. First value I had 3. Okay. Now I am changing it to mid plus 1. Now I had got mid equal to 3. So this became mid. Now I want to change the first pointer. First will be equal to mid plus 1. So now first is equal to mid plus 1. Mid is 3. 3 plus 1 equal to 4. Now first is 4 and last is also 4. Again I will calculate mid value. Mid equal to first plus last by 2. Now mid will be equal to 4. Again I will check whether now this becomes mid. Now mid is, here I have got A of mid as 50 and the search element is 46, which is not equal to. Now I will check the if statement. If search element less than A of mid, search element is 46 less than A of mid is 50, this condition is true. When this condition is true, I will decrease the mid pointer by 1. That means last is equal to mid minus 1. Now last will be equal to, mid we have got 4. 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. Now last is equal to 3 and first equal to 4. This condition becomes false. So it comes out of the loop and we can print that the search element is not found in the array.